I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the cause of your MacBook lag before making changes. Check available storage and free at least 20% or 50 gigabytes of space. Quit all running apps and test performance in safe mode to isolate software issues. Back up your files using Time Machine or a cloned external drive so no data is lost. Note system logs and activity monitor to find CPU or memory-heavy processes. This prepares you for a safe, clean reinstall if needed. Erase the startup disk and perform a clean Mac OS reinstall from recovery mode. Confirm your backup is complete before you erase any data on the drive. Use apps for solid-state drives and HFS Plus only for older spinning drives for best performance. Reinstall Mac OS, update to the latest compatible version, and avoid migrating unnecessary apps or launch items. Install only the essential apps and restore personal files selectively from your backup. This eliminates accumulated software bloat and corrupted system files causing lag. If lag continues after a clean reinstall, inspect hardware for limits and failures. Upgrade a slow-spinning hard drive to a 256 GB or larger solid-state drive for dramatic speed gains. Increase RAM to at least 8 GB or to 16 GB for heavy multitasking on compatible models. Run Apple diagnostics and check for a failing fan, SSD, or thermal throttling issues. If you have Apple silicon problems or a suspected failing logic board, seek Apple service or an authorized repair provider. Hardware upgrades often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.